In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create monetizable TikTok accounts here in Nigeria without VPN, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. You're welcome to Grow Better, and this channel will teach people how to grow the social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. So a lot of people have been chatting me up on WhatsApp, and also I've been seeing so many comments on my channel asking me to make video on how to use VPN, that they don't know how to use VPN to create international TikTok account, right? So instead of me teaching you how to use VPN, there is a way you can also create the international TikTok account without VPN, right? I think it will be more better, right? So for those of you who don't understand the reason we are creating this account, why we are creating this account is because TikTok monetization is not yet eligible in Nigeria. So there are so many other countries which are eligible for this particular program. So what we do is that we create those countries TikTok account, right? By changing our location to that particular country while creating our account. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually do this step by step without using a VPN here in Nigeria and some other African countries. So I'll be taking you to the other side of the screen, but before we get to the other side of the screen, I would like you to do something for me. I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say, thank you, Mauzi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? See you guys in the other side of the screen. So guys, you're welcome to this side of the screen, right? So before I show you guys how you can actually create this particular TikTok account, right? Firstly, I want to show you guys the difference between international TikTok account and the normal TikTok account. So let me head to my TikTok, right? So here is my TikTok, right? So one of my TikTok account, and this particular one is not international TikTok account. This one is just normal TikTok account I created right here in Nigeria, like normal account before this monetization stops, right? So the difference is that when you come to this three line right here, tap on it, then come to this creator studio, and take this TikTok studio, right? Then when you come to monetization, so when you come to this monetization, the only thing you will see is this subscription, work with artists, live gift, video gift, right? So even when you view all, you will not see creators reward program. You understand? So the only thing you will see is the subscription, video gift, work with artists, and live gift, right? So let's go and log into international TikTok account. Understand, this particular one is international TikTok account. This particular one is the one I use for reaction videos. I just opened it 2 days ago, and I've posted 3 videos, right? You can as well follow me. So I do reaction videos on this particular one. So uh, if you want to know the difference right here, you just come and click on the same creator TikTok studio, and you will see work with artists, video gift. You will see creators reward program, right? So this creators reward program is one of the best place, understand, to actually make money. That's the one that you need to, when you post your videos, when people are viewing it, you are making money from it, right? So I'm just trying to explain this before we go, understand. So you can see the criteria here. To join, you must be at least 18 years, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. All right. So you can see. So if you want them to notify you before, once you reach, you understand, you just click on this, notify me when I'm eligible. They will notify you so that you get to sign up. So this is the difference between the two. So right now, I would like us to create a new account, so that I will show you guys how to create this international TikTok account without a VPN. Like this, my phone, there's no VPN on, right? So the only thing I will urge you to do is to make sure that your phone location is off, right? You don't have your phone location on, understand? But I know that even if you leave your phone location on, it will still work. But right now, my phone location is not on, right? And I've not really tried it when my location is on, but I know it will work. So let's go. For instance, like when you just enter TikTok like this, like there's no account there, so you want to either log in or sign up, right? So I need to click login,
because I just want to so that it will bring me here. So but while creating an account, you are not supposed to log in, you are supposed to sign up. You can see sign up right here. Tap on sign up. So when you tap on sign up, this is why it's going, how it's going to be, right? So you will see down right here they wrote, by continuing this an account located in Nigeria, just put UK, tap on that Nigeria and change the location to UK, United Kingdom, right? Once you change the location to United Kingdom, you are done. So what you need to do is to just to click on continue with Google to go and look for the this thing, the Gmail you want to use for this, right? So I have so many Gmail. I don't know the one I've not used before, but I think it's fine. Let me try. Okay, let me use this last Gmail. I don't know if I've used it before, but let me just try it. Understand? So then once you click on the Gmail, they will tell you by continuing Google will share your name, your blah blah blah. You just click on continue, right? Once you click on continue, they will ask you your date of birth, right? So I'm going to put my date of birth, right? So you put your date of birth when you're doing yours, right? Then click on continue, right? So once you click on continue, they will ask you to put a nickname. So I will just leave my nickname like this, all right, because it's a tutorial. Then click on confirm, right? Right now I've created a TikTok account. I've created a new TikTok account. You can see it. This is a new TikTok account 0000. So right now let's just go to that place. Let me show you something. You just need to click on this three line up here, then click on TikTok Studio, right? Monetization. You will see right here, you can see this creators reward program, right? So as you can see, I didn't put any VPN on, I just did it, understand? So make sure that you change that TikTok location from that Nigeria to UK or United States, any country that is eligible that you want, right? So this is exactly how to create a international TikTok account here in Nigeria without a VPN. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the other side of the screen.
You're welcome back, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment, right? So thank you all for always watching my video, and if this is your first time in this channel, I'll urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.